Welcome to the Admin and Configuration tutorial. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about managing your Referrizer account settings, user roles, permissions, integrations, and more. Let's dive in. To access your account settings, click on your business name in the top right corner of the dashboard. And then select the Settings tab. Once in the Settings area, you'll see two main sections, Global Settings and App Settings. In this video, we'll go over the global settings. As for the app settings, we will go over them when we go over the specific app. The first option in the global settings is Edit My Profile. Here you can update your personal information such as your first and last name, company name, email, password, and any other necessary details. This is where you'll go to make changes to your profile. Next, let's talk about the Employees section. This is where you can add additional employees to your Referrizer account and manage their access. You'll see a list of your current employees, and you can add new ones by clicking the Add New Employee button at the top. To add an employee, you'll need their first name, last name, and a phone number. Below that, you'll enter their login information, email, a password or PIN, usually the last 4 digits of their phone number, and optionally a phone number for two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Once you click Save Changes, the new employee will be added to your account, and they'll have limited access to your Referrizer account. The billing section allows you to manage your payment methods, review your billing history, and adjust your subscription details. Here you can view your active subscription, payment methods, and the number of tax credits you have. If you want to add a new payment method, click on Add Method, and there you can choose between adding a credit card or linking a bank account. For credit card payments, you'll need to enter the cardholder's name and the card details. For bank accounts, you'll need the account holder's name, the account type, account number, and routing number. You can also top up tax credits by making a one-time purchase, or you can enable auto refill, which automatically adds credits when you run low. If you plan on using buy now offers, you'll need to set up your Referrizer wallet. You'll need to click on the Set up Wallet button, and then enter your bank account number and routing number. After you enter this information, we'll go to a setup screen where you will fill out information regarding your business to set up your Referrizer wallet. In the notifications section, you can manage all the email and text notifications that Referrizer sends out. Here you can see a list of all email notifications, including those for SmartLine messages, offer claims, and loyalty rewards. You can also add additional email addresses if you want more people to receive these notifications. To enable specific notifications, you want to checkmark them, and to disable them, you just uncheck them. One important feature is the text notifications for customer check-ins. You can customize the frequency of the check-in texts and set them to send after a specific number of check-ins or a certain number of days after they check in. The most frequent one that we use is to send the check-in message after their first visit and then after every X amount of visits, depending on the business type and how frequently their customers visit them. You can also authenticate your email domains to ensure your emails are delivered reliably. If you need help with email verification, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team for help. Now let's look at integrations. Referrizer supports a wide range of integrations to help you sync data and extend the platform's functionality. To access the integrations, click on your business name and select Integrations. This will show you a list of all available integrations. If you need help setting up an integration, you can visit support.referrizer.com. Here you can click on Integration under the Contacts tab and search for the specific integration you need help with. All of these threads are documented in depth, and you won't have to worry getting things set up. One special integration we'll mention is Zapier. If your CRM isn't listed in the available integrations, Zapier is a tool that can help connect Referrizer with nearly any app. To check if your CRM can be integrated via Zapier, go to zapier.com. When you get here, you want to click on the Explore Apps button in the top right corner. From there, search for different apps that can integrate with Zapier. For this video, we'll look at 3 examples: a good one, a decent one, and a not so great one. Let's start with a great integration, which is Gymdesk. The specific thing that is important for us at Referrizer to look for when looking at an integration from Zapier, we need to scroll all the way to the bottom. The triggers are the things that we will need in order to keep the information up to date and sync with that CRM. Gymdesk has all of the amazing triggers that make a great integration possible. Check-in, new lead, and new member. This is everything that you will need to set up a great integration. A decent integration can be Square. So we will scroll all the way down and check out the triggers that Square has. So Square has new customers, so we can sync when a new customer is created, but it doesn't sync check-ins. The only thing that it syncs is a new invoice. We can use the new invoice to sync it as a check-in, but only if the business operates using invoices. If it doesn't, then it is not possible to sync check-ins using Square. Now, the last example that we will be looking at today is Spark. When we scroll all the way down and check the Triggers tab, we will see that there are no available triggers. This means that an integration is not possible. So this covers the admin and configuration settings. We've gone over user roles, permissions, billing settings, notification, and integrations. Managing these settings is essential for ensuring smooth operations within Referrizer and keeping your team aligned.